morning everyone from a sunny Orlando. We arrived last night and it's our first full day here. Really excited to be here. Mickey has got tickets, here he is, for Universal Studios. He has been there about 15 years ago, Mickey, 20 years ago. When did you go to?
Oh my God, can't remember.
A long time ago.
Yeah, a few years ago.
Yeah, a long time ago he went to Universal Studios and he didn't go on any of the rides.
No.
So this will be a first time. So we're gonna name this vlog and this series, see if we can kill Mickey on the theme parks. Can Mickey survive the theme parks? So that's what we're going to call it. We have purchased his tickets for a 2-week pass, to a 3-park 2-week pass. So that's Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure and Volcano Bay. It was £327 online. We used a discount code for that. Yeah, so looking forward to a good day. The first ride we're hoping to go on is Jurassic Park River Adventure, because I think that's a good one to start off on. Pandy's one of his favourite rides, and I think it'll be good to all get a bit wet this morning on the rides. We've been here in the park in Islands of Adventure for about an hour. And we haven't done anything or gone on anything yet because we had to renew the accessibility pass, which was about 40 minutes, 50 minutes in line. And then I had to go and check how long we had left on our photo pass. So poor Mickey, his first impressions are not the best. What do you think of that ride over there, Mickey? Do you think you'll go on that ride?
God.
Can you see it?
Yeah, that one there.
Yeah. You're going to go on there?
Oh, really?
Yeah?
Gotta go on we.
Oh, fair play. Mickey's up for anything. It's so much fun. Can't wait to see his little face. So I think we're going on Jurassic Adventure first. We might get a little bit wet with our Mickey.
Oh, right.
Just a tad. You either get away with it or you get soaked. Yeah, and then we shall fight. We're going the wrong way at the moment. We're just following Pandy. Pandy, you're going the wrong way.
Andy.
Going the wrong way. Oh, he wants to show Mickey it.
Oh, right.
We've got Mickey an ice water, so you can go up and ask for ice water. There you go. Woo. At any of the kiosks, like that one there, and they'll give you some ice water free. But ask for a cup of water, don't ask for a bottle of water, because if you ask for a bottle of water, then they will charge you. The water and the ice water is absolutely free, but you must ask for a cup of water. Our first ride, Jurassic Park. What did you think of it, Mickey?
Oh, it was absolutely marvellous.
Yeah? You're a little bit wet, but not too bad.
No, not too bad, no. But I mean, you got to be careful in there because there's some big fellas in there.
Yeah? What did you see?
There was Jurassic Park dinosaurs. And
Really?
Yeah.
Real ones?
And they really looked a bit angry.
Yeah?
Oh. So,
you won't be going back in there then?
Not really, no, until they got their food.
He was... Mickey was shouting at everybody in line. I wouldn't go in there, but he said there's dinosaurs in there. On to the next ride now. I don't know whether he's ready for VelociCoaster yet. We shall have a look where we end up. Where's he going? Where's he gone? After encounter in training. Oh, that's cute.
In training. Trying to get on
we've just signed Mickey up for VelociCoaster, which is the fastest ride, one of the fastest rides in Orlando, and he's up for it. So we're going to feed him beer first, make sure he's ready. What's the beer like?
Oh, beer is very, very nice.
Is it cold?
It's cold, it's cool, and it's very, very nice.
Refreshing?
Refreshing. After my earlier ride.
He's still getting over Jurassic Park. Doesn't know what he's let himself in for. Really good one of you two, not so good at me. I had my head down. What did you think of it, Mickey?
Well, I've got to be honest, I'm still shaking.
He's having a sit down after that one.
My middle name is Stephen.
Shaking Stevens.
That's his 75th birthday present.
Oh, that's a tough cookie. Yeah.
Tuffy.
Yeah. The things we do to you.
If you like a wild ride, that was it.
Yeah.
Very, very good.
Excellent.
Maybe not for me, I think. My first and last time.
Are you going to go on any more rides after this?
Oh, it's easier, yeah.
Yeah.
They're all easier than Anna.
Yeah.
It's all downhill.
Got my badge,
Yeah. Yeah, he's got his badge.
My badge.
There you go. Well done, Mickey. Well done for surviving.
The roller coasters are all downhill from now on.
With 2 rides under our belt, I think we're going to go for some food. We're going out for a meal today to celebrate, tonight to celebrate Jeff's birthday. One of our wonderful friends. You would have seen it, Jeff, on previous vlogs. Well, it's his 21st birthday today. Well, 21st plus. So we're going to go out for a meal in Bella Italia. So we might just call it today and go and have something to eat. Of course, if we go to the pool area, because we're a club in Ramada Plaza, it means that we've got free drinks from midday till 8. So we might go and take advantage of one of those drinks and go in the pool because it is boiling, and hopefully there won't be many in there. So we're going to have a look at the queues for Panda Express and or go to Murphy's for something to eat.